Guys, Ali from ALTA Racks. How are you? Great day here in Murray, Utah. Got a new product release coming up. This is the GPP, the general purpose platform that mounts on the rack, and it's going to be endless combinations of what features and capabilities we can put on here. The basic system structure is right here. This is a platform that has different patterns on it for mounting locations and different patterns for different products that we're going to develop. The main feature is these side plates, and you have an internal system here that goes through the rack and into the vehicle's receiver. So really the feature and capabilities that this brings is utilizing the receiver's structure to support the weight of the product that are put here so they're not on the rack. Simply said, this puts the weight of anything that you put on it right back into the vehicle because that's the way the system is designed. Here's the first product that we just developed for it. This is just a plate, or basically what we're going to use this for is a cooler mount. So as you can see with the patterns, we can pretty much plug in anything like that, and everything's bolted together. So then cooler mount, and then you got the T-slot system that you can now hook to and strap over. What can go on this GPP? Pretty much anything. You talk about spare carriers, spare tire carriers, boxes for generators, ski box itself actually go in there, or other bike carriers. This can probably easily carry a Ceron at 120 to 150 pound weight limit right here because it's going back. But the overall weight and what you can put on here is going to be limited by the rating of your receiver. Hope this was informational. Hope you're having a great day. Again, this is Ali from ALTA Racks. See ya.